Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular microphones, the TONOR USB microphone and the mini microphone. We'll be evaluating these products in various categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the prices of these microphones. The TONOR USB microphone comes with a price tag of $49, while the mini microphone is available at a more affordable price of just $12. Both microphones offer great value for money, but if you're on a tight budget, the mini microphone might be the better option for you. When it comes to ease of use and installation, both microphones excel. The TONOR USB microphone is plug and play, meaning you can simply connect it to your device's USB port and start using it right away. Similarly, the mini microphone also offers a hassle-free experience with its 3.5mm jack. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Now let's talk about sound quality. The TONOR USB microphone features a Cardioid Pickup Pattern, which ensures clear and crisp sound in front of the microphone while reducing unwanted background noise. On the other hand, the mini microphone boasts omnidirectional microphones that capture sound from all directions, offering a clean and clear recording experience. Whether you're podcasting, streaming, or recording, both microphones deliver excellent sound quality. Now let's talk about versatility and portability. The TONOR USB microphone is equipped with a shock mount that can be unscrewed, allowing you to mount it on a boom stand if needed. On the other hand, the mini microphone is incredibly compact and lightweight. It's perfect for on-the-go use, thanks to its mini size and a 57-inch long wire that gives you freedom of movement. Whether you need a microphone for conference calls or vlogging, both options offer versatility and portability. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the TONOR USB microphone and the mini microphone in terms of price, ease of use, sound quality, versatility, and portability. Both microphones have their own unique strengths and are suitable for different purposes. It all comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below which microphone you prefer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.